Today I am going to show you Ajax calling in Laravel. Here this is students table feeding in HTML. Here students details are feeding. Here this is students blade. I am going to add the button here. I name it as get Ajax detail, just like that. If I click button, I am going to feed this tag. Okay. For now, I write this and I hit enter here. If I click get Ajax details, I am going to feed this without refreshing the browser. Without refreshing the browser, if I click this button, this p tag will be updated. Okay. For now, I delete this. I save and I refresh. Okay. I create another route. I name it as Ajax feed. I name the function as Ajax feed. Then I go to student controller because this function is inside Ajax feed. I create that function. I name it as Ajax feed. For now, I return test. Okay. Then firstly, here I open script to write JavaScript. Then I add onClick function. I name the function as getAjax. Then I write the function here. Function getAjax. I copy this and I open and close. I alert hit. Then I run this. The function is working. Here this is working. Then here the paragraph I set the ID, that is Ajax view. Here I am going to explain you jQuery Ajax. Then I should add libraries. Here there is the link. I will provide in the description that. I copy this. I go to the layout of student and I paste top of the script. After that, I'm going to check jQuery added successfully or not. For that, here $mark and use the ID .html. Then I check that. Then go to the view and click get Ajax details. That is okay. 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 Then this hit comes from front end. Apart from that, I'm going to get this hit from the back end. That's why I need Ajax. Here, this is the normal Ajax code block. I will provide in that description. Here, type, that is post or get or the URL type. This is get. Okay. Then here the URL. Okay. URL. URL means that is URL, that is URL Ajax feed. Okay, that is URL. Here, if success, Ajax code will success, everything goes to here. If Ajax code will error, that is goes to here. In here, I write this Ajax view .html, the data. Data means backend outcome. Okay. Okay. I'm going to return here test. Then this tag will be shows test. Okay. We will try. Here I refresh this. Here there is error, front end error. We will see. Here I run this and get Ajax details. Here there is Ajax is not a function because of here in layout I add jQuery slim. In slim that Ajax will remove. Then apart from that I add this jQuery 3.1.1 min. Okay, then it should be work. Then I go to here. Then get Ajax details. It is working fine. Okay. Then I am going to student controller and I get some database detail. I get student some equal student where ID. I go to database and Laravel basic, that is my DB, and also students. Then I got I will get Mike Arnold details. Then ID is 2. Then ID is 2 and I get a row from first only one selection. Then I return student name. Then I go to my URL and I click get Ajax detail. The name detail will receive. I think you understand the Ajax calling. Touch with me and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will give this kind of valuable programming things. Thank you.